Hey guys, it's Josh with the Magic Team. Super excited to announce that it is April showers. What that means for you guys is if you buy a tankless water heater, you are going to get a water softener for free. Great time of year to take advantage of that and any other plumbing needs you guys might have. First off, guys, what we want to do, we get a ton of questions about these tankless water heaters. We just want to buzz through kind of some of the question and answers on some of the things that make these things important in your home. One of the first questions we receive is, are they energy efficient? The answer to this question is yes. Really cool thing is they only heat the water when it's on demand for the water itself. And that's going to save you guys some money. Another question we receive is, will the tankless fit my home? The answer to this is also yes. And it's actually going to save you quite a bit of room because the old tank style actually just sit in like a corner. And this one fits directly on the wall and can save you a ton of space. Another question we get asked is, will I continue to run out of hot water? The answer is no. These are absolutely fantastic for those families that take a bunch of showers in the morning or even just running your dishwasher while you're taking a shower. As long as that tap water is running, it's going to continue to feed hot water. One of the other questions we get is, what is the lifespan of these? It can actually be a little bit better than even a tanked water heater, generally lasting between 15 and 20 years. On a tanked water heater, you're looking between 8 and 15 years, so it's actually a little better option for your money. So if after watching this video you guys want a little more information, please feel free to reach out. Our plumbing team is on the ready to get out and answer all the questions you guys might have about our April Showers program. As always, guys, experience the magic today with the Magic Team.